Gonna give this little guy a review. Just got it yesterday. Put it together today. Easy to put together. Fantastic little addition. It's my little palapa. So I can show you here that the flame is almost at its lowest, but there's so many variables with adjusting the flame height. So this is low, and wait, that's actually even lower. We're gonna turn it up. Medium and high. What a great little fire table. I gave it 10 thumbs up. 10 thumbs up on this little fire pit. Go out and get them before they're gone.
But it only has one setting, even though it says high. It won't go any higher. Okay. Oh, look, it just did. Don't push it in and turn it higher.
Oh.
Okay, so that was the difference on that one. We had to push it in and turn low on. Went together. I think you put it together in like 20 minutes, 25 minutes.
Actually destroys this baseball. Surprises stayed in the ballpark in Chisholm. Not a lot of real estate once you touch that warning track out there.
He's the blessing on me. Yeah.
I'm gonna turn that on.
Fast forward to today, every day in a holiday.
There's no flash, right?